Cash App and crypto, a match made in millennial heaven? Ever since the meteoric rise of Bitcoin, the world has been abuzz with cryptocurrency. From teenagers dipping their toes in with allowance money to seasoned investors building complex portfolios, crypto has become a conversation starter. But with so many options out there, navigating the world of digital currency can be confusing. One name that pops up frequently is Cash App. It's the mobile payment service we all know for splitting bills with friends or getting a quick refund. But can Cash App be your one-stop shop for all things crypto? Specifically, can you use Cash App to buy, sell, or transfer Bitcoin? Let's break it down and answer the burning question: does Cash App accept Bitcoin? Cash App, more than just splitting the pizza bill. Cash App started out as a way to send and receive money with friends, but it's evolved into a more comprehensive financial tool. You can now use it to deposit and withdraw cash at ATMs, invest in stocks, get a debit card linked to your account. These features make Cash App a convenient option for managing your finances on the go. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, things get a little tricky. Cash App and crypto, a one-way street. Here's the key takeaway: Cash App allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, but it doesn't currently support transferring Bitcoin. That means you can use Cash App to invest in Bitcoin with as little as $1. They handle the conversion for you, making it a user-friendly way to get started with crypto. The process is simple. Open the Cash App and navigate to the Investing tab. Find the Bitcoin icon and tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, minimum $1. Confirm the transaction. Cash App will then hold your Bitcoin for you. You can track its value within the app and choose to sell it whenever you want. Why no transfers? The limitations of Cash App's Bitcoin integration. So, why can't you transfer Bitcoin in or out of Cash App? There are a couple of reasons. Security. Cash App acts as a custodian for your Bitcoin, meaning they hold the private keys. This simplifies things for users but makes transfers more complex. Focus on investment. Cash App seems to be positioning itself more as a platform for buying and selling Bitcoin rather than a full-fledged crypto wallet. Cash App versus dedicated crypto wallets, choosing the right tool. If you're looking for a way to actively trade Bitcoin or transfer it to other wallets or exchanges, Cash App might not be the best option. Here's where dedicated crypto wallets come in. These wallets give you complete control over your Bitcoin. You hold the private keys, allowing you to transfer your Bitcoin freely and use it for various purposes. However, crypto wallets can be more complex to set up and manage. The verdict: Cash App, a gateway to Bitcoin, not a crypto hub. Cash App is a great way to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin with a user-friendly interface and low minimum investment. But if you're looking for more advanced features like transfers and integration with other crypto platforms, you'll need a dedicated crypto wallet. Cash App might be the first step on your Bitcoin journey, but it's probably not the final destination. Consider your needs and choose the tool that best suits your crypto goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.